everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the SketchBox Premium box for October 2019. The artwork on this one is pretty sweet. This is from the August Sketchbox and is by Ashley Neagle, and her Instagram is @HazaInBlack. You ready to get right into this? I sure am. As always, we got a cool little sticker. It's a hand with a bunch of art supplies and a Sketchbox logo. This is really quite adorable. We have our little menu letting us know everything that came in this box, and this one is jam-packed. And because it is Inktober officially, it looks like everything here is ink-related. I might not be doing a project this time, and I might just decide to use these in my Inktober projects and kind of talk about them and see if I like them then. That's because my crazy ass decided to do a video for each day of Inktober. A project a day for 31 days. 31 days of upload. It's 31 days of editing. We'll see how crazy I go. It's gonna happen. But I'm already pretty close to the edge of crazy, so no biggie. I live in that world. Here we have the item that they include in every box, which is basically an artist of the month. The featured artist for this month is Andy Chiang. I'm going to do something a little different this time. I'm not going to read you his bio, but if you want to see more of his art, his Instagram is @Andy1878art, and his website is www.andycillustration.com. The very first item in this month's box is Kuruk Zig Black Ink in 60. The retail price for this is normally $6.95. This month is all about ink. We love this ink's ability to dry quickly and become waterproof. It plays well with markers, other inks, and can be diluted with water to create beautiful gray washes. I wish I would have waited to buy more ink then. I did not need to buy the Liquitex inks for Inktober, because this guy looks like it has a little bit in there. It looks like a pretty good size. The next item is a Windsor Newton white drawing ink, and the retail price for this is normally $5.49. This pigment-based ink is great for going over dark areas to create highlights or bright white strokes. It's a little transparent and allows the flexibility of brightening certain spots to the exact shade you want. Also good to have. I did not need to buy either of the inks I bought then. I thought I was going to run out by the end of Inktober. I did not expect my Sketchbox to take care of me. Next, there's the Kuruk Zig Cambio in Indigo, and this one is a retail price of normally $9.80, and this is a first look. We love these brush pens. Unlike other brush pens that are fed via squeezing the barrel to get the ink to the tip, this one regulates the flow of ink to make sure you get the perfect amount of ink without overflow dripping. This color is brand new to the USA and is appearing first in Sketchbox before it hits stores. The regulation thing on this sounds really good because I've had Kuruk markers like this with the ink. I want to say I had some in the May Sketchbox and I had issues controlling them, specifically the white, because whatever they did for the white pigment, it dried up inside the tube a little bit, and squeezing it out made it very difficult. And even when you had ink out, it would kind of just flow however it wanted to. So, good to know. Definitely be trying this later. This one is the item I am most excited about because I literally almost bought this and I decided against it. This is a Copic drawing pen, 2mm black, and the retail price is normally $5.95. These fountain pens allow for a variety of line thickness depending on the pressure and angles. They're great for line drawing and hatching. I wish I would have had this for other projects, but as you can see, it's like a portable fountain pen, and the ink's gonna all be in here. I really wanted to try this and see how it worked. I'm not good at using dip pens normally, and I usually avoid it, but I think something like this where it's combined, I'll be able to get a little bit more accuracy, and it should be a little more user-friendly. We'll see. The following item is a Kuruk Zig Clean Color Dot Pen in gray. The retail price for this is normally $3.40, and this is a new product. Dual tip marker with a 0.5mm fine tip on one end and a flexible dot tip on the other. Dots of various sizes can be drawn by adjusting the pressure applying to the pen tip. It's great for adding shadows, stippling techniques, or a pointillism approach. And there is one side of the tip. And this is an interesting tip. It's more of a rounded tip. It reminds me of a microphone. Next we have a Marabou Graphics Black 4 set, and the retail price for this is $6.99. For set line widths and black brush strokes, we included this set from Marabou, which includes each one of a 0.2mm, 0.4mm, 0.8mm, and brush tip pens. It's great for adding illustrative elements, details, and finishing touches to your art this month. I'm pretty sure I have these somewhere, so we're going to leave these in the box, so I can use up what I have first. If I don't separate them, I will get confused. It's just how I roll. They included a pencil in this set as well. It is a Staedtler Mars Lumograph in 12B. The retail price for this is normally $2.20. We also included a carbon-rich dark pencil to sketch out your piece before laying down the ink. It's going to be really soft and really dark. It is an interesting choice for a sketch. I would normally use a pencil with a little bit of a harder lead than this, at least for sketching. This would be great for shading on something that's already in the process a little bit further. I think especially with ink, though, that this is going to smudge a lot. So, interesting choice, in my opinion. The final item in this month's box is a Silver Brush Silver Silk 88 Flat Shader Size 4. And the retail price for this is normally $6.55. Finally, we included a flat shader brush from Silver Brush in a small size to use with the included ink from Zig and Windsor Newton. The shape of this brush allows for tons of flexibility in stroke thickness and is great for casting bold strokes, line work, calligraphy, and so much more. And that is just a look at the actual brush tip. So you get a little bit of a better idea of what it looks like. Pretty small little flat shader brush. And once the stuff is off of the tips, it's going to be really soft. I will definitely be using this guy a lot. As you can see, this is everything that came in this month's SketchBox Premium box. There is a lot of stuff here. I think it's going to be a good addition to anyone's collection who is attempting to do Inktober this year. I look forward to integrating these into my Inktober projects as the month goes on. Well, that's going to be it for this unboxing video. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, or you want to share your opinions about this month's art supplies, let me know in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. I want to take this moment to thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble about art stuff. I look forward to hearing from you soon, and you guys will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!